Hi guys, how you doing? Hi traders, welcome to the channel, welcome to the charts. While everybody's doing Bitcoin and waiting for the 18,000 mark, right? We are doing the Polkadot. So why are we doing Polkadot and not Bitcoin? Well, you know, Bitcoin is doing what it's gonna do. We already did Bitcoin on Sunday, so we're gonna wait a week for next Sunday to do Bitcoin Sunday service. And Polkadot is actually, there's something happening. There's something tradable happening on Polkadot right now that I think we should examine and see what's going on. Okay, so let's get started with the intro, and after the intro, we are gonna do all the shebang thing. And welcome. Let's see what's happening here. This is the Polkadot, man. This is the Polkadot. This is on the weekly chart, and as you can see, we got some kind of triangle here. Really firm support on the bottom right here. These are weekly candles, right? We really firm support, and now we are breaking out of the triangle that we have here. One hit, 2, 3 hits, and then we are breaking a triangle. That's what I'm saying. It's really interesting looking at this right now. With everything happening. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit on daily and actually see that this is actually, let's turn off the moving averages right now. Let's turn off the RSI and MACD because they're just annoying right now. We're gonna look in the triangle. As you can see here, 1 hit, 2, 3 hits, 4, almost 5 hits, depending how close you put this line, right? So this is the triangle. This is the triangle, the best of my ability that I could draw. I mean, probably there's some kind of support up here, as you can see, hitting it here. White stop there. That's another thing. So basically, we've gone above the resistance. We are above it without the volume, though. There is like no volume, but as we saw just with the sushi and Year in Finance, they also broke out of the triangles without the volume. So basically, what's happening when you break out, when they break out of the volume, they go down to the retest, and we got to zoom in a bit more on that to see the retest. And here you can see the retest. It's broken out and the retest, and you try to get up, get down. So it's basically using this the line as a support, depending on how you draw it, and trying to test it for the retest to see if it's gonna hold. And you see here the volume is picking up, going up nicely now that we are starting to break it, but everybody's still very cautious apparently, so we are not getting any big candles right now. But this, I think this is a really good trading opportunity now that it is retesting support. If it's gonna hold, what we actually want to know, this can actually move. So I'm bullish on the Polkadot right now. Now the thing, if the Polkadot had been like somewhere around 150, 200 coin, right, on the coin market cap or something like that, I would be more bullish than I'm now because it's in top 10. I think it's top 10. Because I feel like all the top coins are like kind of correlated together. I think a lot of there are like index funds doing the crypto, and they're just bundling all together in one product. So they're moving together, at least my feeling, but it doesn't look like it. I don't think it's correlated actually that much with Bitcoin. But when people start selling out of Bitcoin, when we start getting drop, altcoin's gonna moon. But will the Polkadot moon or not? Is Polkadot actually altcoin or not? Yeah, you know, we can say everything is altcoin beside Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you know. Anyways, I think it's pretty rich. So let's check some moving averages and see how moving averages are showing us that this is gonna be actually a decent breakout. So right now we're gonna remove the volume, and you can see here we're gonna remove the chart as well. You see here the red one and the yellow one. The red one crossed the yellow one. The yellow one is 50 moving average, and the red one is the 20 moving. So 20 crossed the 50 now, and entire chart is above the 20 moving average. We can also remove the wicks here, because wicks make it really hard to watch this chart. You see here it went up there, went right back down on the 20, used as a support, and continue upwards, and now it's breaking out of the triangle. Everything looks really good. And now without the wicks, we can actually draw the triangle that we actually need, because maybe this is the triangle, you know. something like this. We're gonna disregard this one here, maybe put it down here, something like this, and say that this is the triangle. Doesn't matter. Thing is, we are out of both of the triangles. All is good. We are above the 20 moving average. Let's go down to 4 hourly and see how we're holding up. And as you can see here, the red, the yellow, the blue, and the purple, 20, 50, 100, 200, they are as they should be. And now what's happening, we are waiting for the, again, just like last time, we are waiting for the 20 price to come close to the 20 before it shoots up. So that's what we're waiting for right now, and that's gonna be the big kahuna. So Polkadot is gonna pump soon. It's gonna pump soon. Polkadot is gonna pump soon. Okay, let's bring back the VIX. We need back the VIX, man. We need the VIX. Let's see the VIX. VIX, on VIX you can see it's actually testing a support down there. So 4 hourly moving average is good. The daily moving averages, the weekly, there are no moving averages. And let's look at the 1 hourly, and 1 hourly looks really nice. See here, it popped up above the resistance line over here, using it as some kind of support. Depends on how you draw this line over here. Using support, waiting for the 20 moving average. I think it might go sideways to pick up the 50 moving average here, and then go up, because this is hourly, so it's gonna go wait for more bigger moving averages before it continues upwards. But it looks really bullish. I have to say, this looks really bullish. Really bullish for me. So that's the moving averages. That's the moving averages. Those are the triangle. That's the triangle. Triangle really important right now, but we are out of the triangle. And so let's look at the RSI. There's not much to look at on RSI, to be honest. There are no divergences the way I see it. Yes, here it is. No, it's not. This is up. This is close. Yeah, there's a divergence here. We have price is going up and the RSI is going down. So we should actually have some kind of correction here. Unless this continue pumping up and the RSI actually gets corrected, which can happen. So we cannot say anything about that right now. Let's look at this was on the 4 hourly and the daily. Let's see the daily. Yeah, it looks kind of good. Okay, so there's no big divergences on the RSI that makes us feel bearish. So we are not bearish. The MACD, man, the MACD. Let's zoom this out more just so we can see it better. No, zoom in more so you can see it better. We got bullish cross over here. Bullish MACD cross. This on the daily. On the weekly we don't have anything. On the daily we got bullish cross over here, and since the bullish cross happened, we can see on the moving averages the bullish cross happened here, the crossing about 20 above the 50 happened, right? And now we are continuing up. So all in all, the MACD is confirming and the moving averages are confirming that we are going up. We are out of the triangle, we are retesting, so I'm expecting a big boom. And you know what's gonna happen when the big boom comes? Everybody's gonna search for Polkadot, find this video and be like, how did this guy knew, man? How this guy knew? That's how I know, man. That's how I know. Thank you, traders, for watching the video. In the last video I did on Bitcoin, I was being overly bearish. I said that if it breaks some kind of line, we are gonna be still bullish. It can go to 89,000. While I was rethinking my strategy and how I was looking at the Bitcoin at the time, and I was being bearish just because I felt like 16,000 is too much. Even 7,000 I feel it's too much. 18,000 too much. But the thing is, there is no technicals that were saying we are gonna go down. So there were no bearish technicals. Most were bullish. So like they say, trend is your friend until felt like these things, right? So move with the trend. Do not assume we have to go down just because you feel that we have to go down. And right now people still feel that we have to go down, but the price is 7,650 right now. and maybe it might be 18,000 tonight and then 19,000 tomorrow and 20,000. And just because people feel it has to go down, it doesn't have to go down until actually technicals change and we actually go down. Thank you for watching this video. Let's put on some music. Ding ding. If you want to subscribe to my channel, thank you, man. I appreciate that. We are doing the traders deluxe videos. We are trying to find the coins that are gonna pump hard. We're trying to find the good news. We are presenting the good news. We are not doing bad news anymore. We are done with the bad news, man. Only good news from now on. Only good news and Bitcoin from time to time, depending on what's good and bad. We always do Bitcoin on Sunday. So like the video, not because you like the actual video, but for my channel, man, just help me a bit, like the video, so YouTube algorithm can help me a bit with subscribe and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Don't lose your money.